for the meantime, the first minute is just 1v1. And hey,
yeah.
What a fact! This video, shout out to that faggot, dude. New map, boys. New airsoft map, boys. What the hell? This field's not that big. That means he's behind me. Must go backwards. There he is! Ah! You killed your bro. That was your bro. Oh no! I'm so sorry. I killed my bro. God damn it!
How'd you kill me?
I'm so sorry. I didn't read your name. I'm so sorry. All right, let's go. Oh, I saw you fall. We're nowhere at the same time.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, bro. Oh my god, my boy. Yes! Ah!
You bastard! You motherfucker!
Oh! I'm pretty sure they're gonna come up with some shit when he was shot with it. I'm so sorry. Oh god, I got so scared. I got PTSD like a bug.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh. Shit. I'm so. I'm sorry, Dion. I got scared you.
She fucker.
Oh, can I stop getting killed?
Let's run, boys. We can make it to succeed. Alright, boys. Avenge! I got you. Oh god, my boy went down! My boy!
He's strong.
Kick that nigga.
Wow. Oh god, I'm so sorry. Not enough vote.
Without Tara, are we serious?
There's a joker! The one homie went down!
One homie, no!
He got in the way. I'm sorry. That's it. We're taking him down with the pistol, boys. Ow! Ah!
No. He's kicking me because I killed him for killing his own teammate.
Everybody book! Oh, that's the homie!
This guy just keeps team killing.
Oh shit, that was a joke. I didn't know that was a joke. He was wearing blue like us. Oh my god, I get confused. No! He still got me!
Hey, fuck you, man. That nigga.
Oh no! I accidentally killed my bro. I'm so sorry. No! I did it again! God damn it, dude! I'm sorry.
Ow.
Oh god! Oh god! I'm done! Yeah! I don't know who to shoot! I said so hard, that's why I start shooting when I spawn, because there's other ones when I. Oh, what?
Someone split in half over an airsoft bullet, bro. I think that's normal.
Oh. How'd you know I was three, son of a bitch? Oh! Get out! Oh, I deserve to die. That took a while for I deserve to die.
Oh, I died.
Mortal, let's charge!
I'm trying my best.
No!
Eh.
What the heat? Who's that? They're gonna come around this corner, goddamn. They're gonna come around this corner, goddamn. Alistair is pretty good.
I'm so sorry. I literally came around the corner.
He flew!
Why are people
boys,
splitting
come
in
around.
half?
Nice! There's a Damn, that was my teammate. Fuck! Ah! Shit! We're gonna die!
It was right there behind that pillar.
We're gonna die as soon as I turn around the corner.
Hey, there's a camper. They're pushing in.
Ah! It's okay, H. It's okay. I understand. Oh my god. There they are. There they are. There they are. There they are. I saw my bro. Fuck. Damn, he hit the corner first. I got the Joker. I got the Joker. I got the Joker. I finally got the. Shit. 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 What the fuck? Motherfucker.
Yo, on my screen, people are getting ripped in half.
Seeing your character wiggle around like that was like, oh!
Guys, I might be skipped.
Let's go get it. They know we're behind them. They know we're behind them, boys. You got it. We raided their asses. Dude, we're tied still.
Is that normal?
Oh, bitch ass.
Yeah!
Oh!
That shit was funny, yo. I like
Shout
that.
out to my boy Immortal, bro.
What the fuck is this? Pancho wearing a checkers map, bruh.
What the?
Shit! What the fuck is this, Pancho? I told you never to trust these maps that don't have a thumbnail. This is what happens when you rely on something with no thumbnail, guys. Look at the galaxy out here, bros. This is economy. This is back in Dragon. Oh!